Easily store or transport all of your lumber, plywood, or metal stock with Grizzly's new line of storage racks and carts. Starting with the wood storage, the Grizzly T34006 is a robust 4-tier lumber rack with 1,110 pounds of load capacity. Constructed from 16-gauge steel, this lumber rack stands at 47¼ inch wide, 39¼ inch deep, and 59 inches high. If you're looking for even more versatility, the T34007 gives you the 4-tier system with the addition of a plywood cart to securely hold sheet goods such as plywood, drywall, and more. Made from 18-gauge steel, this cart stands at 59 inches wide, 43¼ inch deep, and 50 inches high. Lastly, the Grizzly T33881 is a cantilever pipe cart with a 3-tier system constructed from 11-gauge steel for all your pipe and metal stock. This cart has a maximum load capacity of 2,200 pounds and stands at 64 inches wide, 32½ inch deep, and 60 inches high. It also has full weld gussets on the cantilever arms and removable load securing pins. Every rack and cart in this collection features a durable powder-coated finish. And the heavy-duty casters even lock in place if you're looking for a more stationary storage solution. Get organized and make your workspace safer and more efficient with the new line of Grizzly storage racks and carts. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today.